Keep in mind this morning is that joy is not the absence of struggle or pain or suffering. It is in spite of it. It is in spite of struggling and suffering and persecution and opposition, you can still have joy. It's not the absence of those things. And a lot of times we're looking for a way out, maybe, completely a way out of the tension. But the Bible shows us that there's a way to have joy under the pressure. Under the pressure, you can still have joy. And I think about Jesus and how he was under a lot of pressure. Have you ever thought about that? The weight of the world and the night he's going to go to go to the cross and bear the sin of the world. He's out there, but the Bible later says, Jesus, who for the joy that was set before him, endured the cross, despising its shame. So even in the middle of intense pressure and suffering and opposition and the burden that you bear this morning, you can have joy. You can have it. And we're going to talk about how you can have it today.